Hey, I'm Fish. What do you see? What does it look like to you? Is this better? I just pulled my hand in. Well, let me show you how my arm is. Like this at the beginning, rather being stretched out like that. Let me bring it back in and do one thing for you. You may want to watch the rest of the video so you could better understand what's happening. I'm sitting here and saying, how can I get my picture to be like this? And I'm only standing arm's length away. Well, let me do one thing. Let me come over to you, pull you off, and simply see if you fit on the camera. And what I'm going to do is switch on over and do the same exact shot at the same area. But I got a problem that Ulanzi, maybe they'll make it for this camera like I have for the extra, the PK10. I need to find an adapter that I could do with DJI, switch back and forth with one adapter, then 1,000 different accessories and gadgets. The thing about this is, and we'll give a close-up shot, you won't be able to close your camera's lens, the head. And that's where you would want the Insta360 Lun. But if you have already in your accessories, these kits, an anamorphic lens, a wide angle lens, a mist filter, a CPL, an ND filter. You want a stackable one? It's out there. Somebody already made a video or two or more, and they were able to stack their Lun Ultra lenses on. I'm just showing you that this could go on. So let's show you what it looks like. I unscrewed my camera just like this. I've taken it off of the 1/4 20 thread. And I'm here standing in the same spot with the wide angle lens. And if I'm doing one of these, that's how it looks like on the camera. So let me come on over, pull it off, and then you can see the difference. It's not going to work. I don't have a 3D printer that I could put something in the front that's magnetized that could get the magnet all around. This is like an oval magnet. Well, that was the wide angle lens. This is the anamorphic lens. So let's put this on to give the fingers and the hands going on. And it doesn't work at all. There we go. It's on there. You have to get into the indent and it sits like this on an angle. Does that look any different being in the on position? And let me pull it off, being in the off position. Well, this is the lens right here, not this lens over here. And there you go. I don't love putting things on, but I got them if I need them. Now I have to go buy a new set for the Lun. But I don't think I'm going to be buying anything additional, but like I said, the base mount that I'll work on here. I'll figure something to get this on there, and hopefully that, like I said, the Ulanzi will come out with one of these bad boys for the reasons of it's a lot smaller than the bases they make. And this way I can hold my camera a lot better than holding it with that. Enjoy, and see you on the next video. Well, now you understand the trick we have here. Oh yeah? Enjoy your hack. I'm Fish. I'll see you later.